Hello developers, have you ever found lost yourself in monotonous black and white world of Linux terminal? Yeah, you may be. Well, not anymore. We are about to take a turn. Well, I am thrilled to announce a launch of my course Linux Command Mastery from beginners to advanced level. This course is basically designed for absolute beginners where we will make the complex concept very easy. Well, we believe in learning with doing things. So here you will get a practical hands-on experience on each and every exercise. So by the end of this course, you will be able to navigate the Linux terminal just like a pro. Yeah, still unsure? Well, we have got you covered with 100% money back guarantee. So if you don't enjoy this course, well, you get your money back, no question asked. So what are you waiting for? Let's embark on this exciting journey of mastering Linux command by joining the course now and let's making enjoyable learning.